Alrighty, we are live. Making sure we're live on YouTube. Yep, we're good. Alright, 10 a.m. starts in 4 minutes. Let's go on some higher time frames and see what's T a little bit first. Okay, we probably are going here on ES. And we're probably going to these highs also on NQ. We do have a little S&T divergence. That's how we reversed yesterday. That's why we didn't sweep liquidity yesterday. We got a liquidity sweep on ES, and then we didn't. We got a lower high on NQ. So that's why, like, sometimes you don't need a liquidity sweep. That's why whoever was on my live last night, like, you need a liquidity sweep. You do, but like SMT. Okay, this is a big candle, so I'm pretty sure at 10 a.m. we're just going higher. So we should try to find something. Let's try to find something, or we can wait for the liquidity sweep first and then wait for a reversal if we want as well. We'll see what 10 a.m. brings us. And that's a good thing about the silver bullet indicator. It shows like liquidity sweeps, kind of like it gives you like profit targets basically. So when you reverse, your profit targets are like the blue lines, and then it will go to the downside, it'll be red lines. Let's see, it probably will sweep before 10 o'clock. And then we can go back down. I don't mind that. I don't mind waiting for it to go up. Obviously, if you got on at 9:30, you could be in this trade to go up. So we'll just see what 10 o'clock has in store. We have a minute and 43 seconds. So let's see if we just get, come up here and sweep this, or get a re-entry to sweep that, or just wait for a reversal. That's all I'm trying to do. Wait for reversals at 10 a.m. now. And tonight I want to back test just how often we get reversals and continuations, because sometimes I play continuations too, and I'm going to see if we get like 7 for every 10 trades, 7 reversals and 3 continuations, then I just won't trade continuations at all. But if it's like 50-50 or 60-40, then I'm like, I'll continue it. So that's what we'll back test tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern. We still have a minute, and the silver bullet will draw the lines for us. And then we'll mark the open of the 10 a.m. candle as well when it forms. So we'll see. I don't know why my phone can't really be straight. There we go. So yeah, patience is a virtue. That's why live streams are kind of boring, honestly. When it comes to regular trading versus the back testing, live streams are a little better. All right, 16 seconds. Four seconds, 3, 2, 1. All right, this is where the 10 o'clock candle opened. So, boom. Oh, what is that? Yeah, go ahead and sweep, and then we'll just play the reversal at this point. And see how this nice fair value gap. If this candle closes high, we'll wait for this to get inverse. And then we'll get in the trade. We'll see if equal highs on ES, and then we have equal highs here on NQ, and then that S&T divergence we caught yesterday. We caught that beautiful trade yesterday. The S&T. I didn't notice the S&T yesterday either, which is crazy. So it still caught the trade. You never know. And then on this, our target is probably these equal lows are down here if we get a reversal. Let's go on the hour. We can mark the 9 a.m. candle high for a regular just silver bullet reversal if it wants to reverse. And then the 9 a.m. candle low. If you want to turtle soup that to the downside. I still kind of want to wait for this liquidity sweep up here. But we might not get it. I don't know. Let's see. They're both wicking down, ES and NQ. And this candle has to close because this fair value gap could be smaller. So that's the bottom of the 9 a.m. We're just seeing whether the market will give us a setup or not. It would be nice. This is NQ, this is ES. We have this liquidity sweep, but we're waiting for either a higher one. See if there's any SMT. So far, none. We have got SMT yesterday. We had ES swept these highs, and then NQ did not. It made a lower low. We never swept, and it just reversed. And you know why? SMT. I didn't pay attention to the SMT yesterday, but I caught the trade because I just saw the reaction that we got. I would have got a better entry if I realized SMT, but I still made $800 yesterday from that trade. So doesn't hurt to just know how to trade, because you don't need, so you don't miss SMTs like that. But yeah, I honestly want this to sweep again. But if we do another SMT where ES sweeps it or none of them sweep it, we'll see. Looks like none of them wants to sweep it, but we're so close on both that I'm like, just go ahead and run up and sweep this, and then reverse and give us a new fair value gap. This is the 10 a.m. open, so if we are bearish, we're already up to get the turtle soup to come down. If we're bullish, you want it to come down and then go higher technically, but I'm just waiting to see. Obviously, you got it at 9:30. Could have got the trade up. But like I said, the 10 a.m. trade is usually always bigger, so I like to get it in less fake outs. But this is a liquidity sweep there to go higher on the 9:30. So it's a nice trade. Nice turtle soup trade up to the upside. I don't trade at 9:30 anymore. Yeah, the 9:30 trade would have been like this turtle soup and taking it, something like that. Hopefully up to here is what I'm hoping for. But so now I'm hoping we can take it all the way down to equal lows here and here. So I'm hoping we take it back down to here. So the trade I want is something like this. A lot bigger than the 9 a.m. trade. But let's see. We're gonna wait and see. We did get a wick down to this gap on ES. We did not get a wick down into this gap on NQ. Again, that wasn't a bad trade either too at 10 o'clock if you wanted to play a continuation. But again, with S&T, like how yesterday was, you could have played this and you would have got wrecked yesterday. So that's why it's like, you might as well just wait for the liquidity sweep or, wait for the reaction. Look the strong reaction up or the strong reaction down just to not get faked out. What ES is doing. So let's see. 930 has been giving some nice trades though. It really has. It's been giving some nice trades at 930. But again, you can get faked out a lot on 930 though, so to each play at your own risk, but because I did start playing these for a second like a month ago and I kept getting faked out. I was like, you know what, I'm good on it. But that is a nice little turtle soup down here into this fair value gap. Came up. If it doesn't hit this liquidity though, you just have to sell for something. But let's see, we might get a little reversal on ES if we close below this 5 minute. But let's just see. We're just waiting for it to show us something. It's not showing us anything right now. Trading is a patience game. It's a boring game. It's not as exciting as people think it is. Honestly, backtesting is more exciting than actual trading. We'll see. Can't play music because I live stream on YouTube too. I won't be able to monetize if I play music in the background. Sorry, TikTok people, but I wish I could. Also, for those who don't know why I get on at 10 o'clock now and not 9:30 anymore, 8:30. 10 o'clock lines up with the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. It starts at 10 a.m. and goes until 2. It lines up with the ICT silver bullet at 10 a.m. and it lines up with the 950 to 10 macros. So there's so much shit lines up at 10 a.m. that I feel like it's the prime time to trade. And I think this is gonna be my final trading time forever because 10 a.m. 4-hour candle starts, so we're catching the beginning of it. And you can catch a CRT from the 6 a.m. candle, 2 a.m. candle, and then the 2 to 6 a.m. candle. That could be your CRT if you want it. Lines up with the hour candle, and then the hour candle lines up perfectly with the CRT 4-hour candle, because not all 1-hour candles are going to line up, but the 9 a.m. candle also lines up with the 4-hour candle. It lines up with the ICT silver bullet, so you have the indicator on, and it lines up with the 950 to 1010 macros. So just like, why are you not trading at 10 a.m.? It's too many strategies that line up, or too many confluences that line up. So in my opinion, all right, we're getting a candle. No, we're not, but it looks like it's pushing on ES, but we're still waiting. No candle closed below this fair value gap yet on ES. That will help us drive it down. On NQ, again, if you're CRT, the range high of the 9 a.m. candle goes with the range high of the CRT candle. Obviously, this is the 9 a.m. candle low, and then this is the CRT 4-hour candle low. So if it's a 3 candle structure, we're already above. So we wanted to come back into this range technically. If you want to do a turtle soup, you wouldn't want to get in until we come back below this pink line. Or if we get up to this liquidity sweep and you trade regular, you can try to catch the reversal at the liquidity sweep. But and then you can take it all the way down to the bottom of this candle, which lines up with some lower time frame equal lows almost. So that's how you trade it. I don't trade CRT exactly the way, but I try to use it and try to catch the candle. I try to catch the candle. This candle can close open here. We still have 3 hours, and then it can wind up closing down. So I want to sweep this liquidity up here. I really do. And then go lower. Yep, didn't close on an ES. Just got wicks below, but you want a candle close below the fair value gap for inverse. That's what you want. So yeah, I know if you listen, like I said, if you trade at 9:30, you did get a good, you got a good internal liquidity sweep, turtle soup thing going on here to reverse. And this was working for a while. Like just waiting for it to sweep one of these. Like it'll be, you would mark out these internal ones at 9 a.m. or whatever the fuck, and then you wait for 9:30 to reverse, take one side out and go the other way, or come this side out and go the other way. But then I started getting faked out real bad. At one point I was like, let me just go back to what I know. Let me just go back to what I know. It's still liquidity though. Sweep reversal. It's still the same shit. Because I know some people look, when you talk about different strategies, quotes, because they're really not different. They're the same shit. You're playing a reversal, but you're just doing it at different times. Because time and price, if you're an ICT trader, is strong. So you want to know, like at 9:30 every day, what does it do? At 10 a.m. every day, what does it do? And then you just look at which one you like more. That's all. That's all it is. You're still doing liquidity sweep reversal, and you're just waiting for, at 10 a.m. I like this reversal better, or if you like this 9:30 better and you go up. I don't know who that is. I think it's my gym in Mexico. But wait, Gotham Gym? I don't go. Oh, Gotham Gym is the one I went to in New York with my friend. My friend works there. And I took a class, and I'm sure they're probably asking me to join, and I don't live in New York. So, sorry, Jim. All right, we're waiting for a reversal. Also, sometimes about these 9 a.m. trades, obviously it's still a good turtle soup, but it might not. Like your liquidity was here, technically this one. It ran up, but sometimes it won't go to these higher time frame ones. It's just gonna, hopefully it does for you, but yesterday it didn't. But like I said, it's still so you would either be waiting for it to hit this, or you would just know when to get out of the trade, I guess, when you weren't greedy. Some people just get in trades and do like a 1 to 2, a 1 to whatever. Like this is a 1 to 8 if you had the full turtle soup. So then, yeah, you could have just got out up here somewhere. But if you did not, and you're still holding for this liquidity point, sometimes it doesn't. Oof. ES dropped. Good displacement. We're getting a candle close. I don't even have my fucking trade set up or nothing. Sells, market order for stop loss, take profit. We technically went away for this candle to close, and we have 12 seconds, so it's not that bad. It does suck, but it could wick up here, so we're gonna wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. Candle close below. We're in. This is our trade. We're in sells, stop loss above this high. Boom, and we're running down, and then take profit at this yellow line here, these equal lows at the bottom. All right, that's the trade. Didn't take up buy side liquidity. We didn't catch obviously the turtle soup at the 10 a.m., but we did wait for a confirmation of a reversal, and it did go up first to go lower. Let's see if it actually keeps going lower. We don't have any fair value gaps made on this run up to tap into. This wick is not nice, but again, there's still 4 minutes in this candle. And now we can make this full screen big. I mean, ES could sweep something and then reverse on us. So let's see where ES is gonna go. There's a lot of equal lows down here on ES though, so I'm feeling like, let's see, because ES can like sweep this, and NQ cannot. It could be an S&P divergence back to the upside as well, and you want to make sure you're locking in your profits on NQ if we get an S&P back up. This is the trade. It's not a great risk reward. It barely looks like a 1 to 2, honestly. But again, I'm not stuck on big risk rewards anymore, especially now that I'm trading on I'm just waiting for confirmations of a reversal. I'm waiting for strong displacement. I'm waiting for, we do have a little sweep here, but I'm hoping, let's see what it looks like on the 15-minute or something. Oh, it did bounce into a 15-minute for right gap, but also that was not made on the run up. So this could it actually could go up here, and then we'll just get in it again. But I'm hoping with this long wick on the 15-minute, we are pushing lower. We're back and draw down a little bit. But again, it's a patience game, but we're in sales to take it to these equal lows here. And there's equal lows on the 15-minute as well, equal lows on ES as well. So let's just see if they both line up or this is just a fake out. But that was a nice displacement candle, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what the 30-minute shows just to be safe. Also showing a wick to the downside, but this candle's closing blue on the 5-minute. This candle's still white on the NQ 5-minute, but two minutes left in the candle though. So I would hope it closes white, or the next one at least closes white. We did get a candle close below this. Could be giving some people a retap to get in. Maybe that's what it's doing. We'll see. Scared money don't make money, so it's luck of the draw. And that's why people say, like, you have to get in and just practice, like with paper money or small amounts or paper trade like I'm doing right now, to get this new my new bias.